the grand cosmic theater, where celestial bodies dance to the timeless rhythms of the universe, there lies a world shrouded in enigma, orbiting the majestic Saturn. This is Titan, a moon that whispers secrets of a reality so alien, yet so tantalizingly close, that it beckons us to look beyond our earthly confines. Here, in the cold, distant reaches of our solar system, lies a world that defies our understanding of life and nature, challenging us to ask, could we be on the brink of uncovering an alien existence within our own cosmic backyard? This is Innovatronics TV, and we are here to bring you Moon Titan. Titan's landscape, revealed through the Cassini mission, presents a geological marvel that challenges our understanding of planetary terrains. It showcases methane lakes resembling terrestrial water bodies, mirroring Saturn's orange glow with mirror-like surfaces. However, these lakes consist of hydrocarbons, a testament to Titan's unique chemistry. The scene includes vast dunes towering over 300 feet, sculpted not by sand, but by tiny hydrocarbon grains, shaped over immense timescales by Titan's atmospheric forces. Underneath the thick atmospheric shroud lies a frozen world with an icy water-ice bedrock, bearing witness to ancient geological processes. The Cassini mission's exploration has peeled back the layers of Titan's mysteries, offering valuable insights into its geological history. In these remote landscapes, we discover a symphony of elements and forces, enhancing our understanding of the complexities within our solar system. Titan's landscape, with its alien beauty and geological intricacies, serves as a reminder of the boundless wonders awaiting our exploration and underscores the essential role of science in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. In a universe where Earth's life-giving water cycle has long been the model of planetary processes, Titan emerges as a captivating anomaly. Here, methane, a hydrocarbon gas, takes center stage in a mesmerizing choreography of atmospheric dynamics, engaging not just our scientific understanding, but all our senses. Imagine standing on Titan's surface. The air, thick with the scent of hydrocarbons, greets your nose as you look up at the hazy sky. Instead of the crisp blue we know on Earth, it's an otherworldly orange-brown, casting a peculiar, diffuse light over the landscape. You reach out to touch the surface, and the ground beneath your fingers feels cold and grainy, like a combination of damp sand and fine-grained dirt. It's not the familiar earthly soil, but rather a mixture of water ice and organic molecules. As you stand there, you hear a soft, rhythmic sound. It's the gentle pitter-patter of methane raindrops on your spacesuit. It's a delicate, almost musical sound, a stark contrast to the heavy drumming of rain on Earth. The rain has a slightly sweet scent, like the faint aroma of gasoline, and as it falls, you notice the sensation of coolness against your skin through your suit's gloves. Looking around, you see the landscape transformed by this methane cycle. Lakes of liquid methane glisten in the distance, reflecting the muted glow of Saturn in the sky. The air carries a faint, subtle hint of methane, and as you take a deep breath, you can almost taste the difference in the atmosphere, a reminder that you're in a world entirely unlike our own. This distant moon's organic-rich environment, saturated with an abundance of complex molecules, hints at the profound complexities of prebiotic chemistry, the intricate dance of molecular reactions that could give rise to life as we know it, and intriguingly, life as we have yet to fathom. Titan stands as a radiant beacon in our ceaseless quest to unravel the mysteries of life's origins and its possible existence beyond the boundaries of Earth. Imagine the landscape of Titan, where the ground is blanketed in a mosaic of organic compounds, reminiscent of the primordial soup that may have once graced our own planet's young shores. Here, the very elements of life, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, intermingle in a cosmic ballet. The frigid methane lakes and rivers, while inhospitable to earthly life, might provide a cradle for novel forms of biochemistry and exploration into the uncharted territory of non-water-based life. Within this cryogenic laboratory, scientists speculate that the intricate chemical reactions driven by cosmic radiation and geological processes may give rise to complex molecules akin to the precursors of life on Earth. Perhaps in these extreme conditions, the seeds of life are sown, nurturing the potential for life forms entirely alien to our understanding. The implications extend beyond Titan itself, as this distant moon invites us to question the universality of life. Could life, in all its diverse forms, be a common phenomenon throughout the cosmos, arising wherever the right chemical ingredients and conditions align? The journey to Titan is a remarkable feat that showcases human ambition and determination. Spacecraft from Earth set out on this adventure, covering a staggering distance of nearly 1.2 billion kilometers. It's a journey that takes at least 7 years, and it involves crossing the vastness of space that separates our planet from this distant moon. Picture this. Spacecraft launched from Earth navigate the vast cosmic void for at least 7 years, enduring extreme temperatures and radiation along the way. They follow carefully planned paths to reach Titan, carrying the hopes and dreams of scientists and explorers eager to uncover the secrets of this mysterious moon. Spacecraft must traverse the vast, frigid vacuum of space, enduring extremes of temperature and radiation, while meticulously following carefully calculated trajectories. Titan's connection with the Sun is pretty different from what we're used to on Earth. It's like Titan lives in a semi-permanent twilight, with the Sun shining more than 900 times dimmer than it does here. And when it comes to a Titan day, it's a marathon compared to our earthly sprint. A day on Titan lasts about 16 Earth days. Imagine that. You wake up, and it's morning for more than 2 weeks before the sun finally sets. During this super long day, everything happens at a snail's pace. Shadows slowly move across the landscape, and the processes that shape Titan's surface take their sweet time. It's a world where time seems to stretch out, inviting us to relax and take it easy, quite unlike our speedy days on Earth. So Titan's sun and its leisurely sense of time remind us that the universe can be a place of surprises, where even the basics like the sun rising and setting can be different from what we know. Imagine harnessing these hydrocarbons for fuel and energy production. On Titan, where the atmosphere is predominantly nitrogen with a significant methane component, the concept of a methane-based energy economy takes shape. It's a vision that opens new frontiers in sustainable energy sources, offering an alternative to the fossil fuels we rely on back on Earth. However, while the potential is vast, the challenges are equally monumental. Extracting and utilizing methane and ethane on Titan is an unprecedented endeavor, requiring technology and infrastructure far beyond what we currently possess. The extreme cold, the need for specialized equipment, and the harsh conditions of the moon's surface create formidable obstacles. The question of feasibility looms large, sparking intense debates and driving research into innovative solutions. Scientists and engineers contemplate methods to safely extract and transport these hydrocarbons, all while ensuring the sustainability of these operations within the delicate balance of Titan's environment. The upcoming Dragonfly mission by NASA, an ambitious venture set to explore Titan's diverse environments, aims to unlock the secrets hidden within this moon. Its investigation into prebiotic chemistry, the surface and subsurface properties, and the overarching question of habitability marks a leap in our quest to understand the potential for life in extreme environments. Titan's distinctive characteristics pose a set of extraordinary challenges for both habitation and exploration. With surface pressures roughly 50% higher than those experienced on Earth, Titan's thick atmosphere, predominantly composed of nitrogen, exerts a considerable force on any structures or equipment we might wish to place on its surface. While this dense blanket of gas offers an opportunity for aerodynamic lift and efficient flight, similar to Earth's atmosphere, it also means that any spacecraft attempting to land must contend with substantial atmospheric drag and the challenges of slowing down before touchdown. Envisioning exploration on Titan necessitates a radical redesign of spacesuits. These suits, envisioned as shields against the cold and corrosive environment, represent a new frontier in space attire, designed to withstand conditions that are entirely alien to those on Earth. The prospect of humans living long-term on Titan prompts reflection on the psychological and societal adaptations required. With days lasting about 384 Earth hours and a hazy, dimly lit sky, timekeeping and mental well-being would need rethinking. The starkly different landscape would challenge our perception of familiar surroundings. Living in isolation would demand new forms of social support. In essence, it raises questions about how we'd adapt mentally and socially to a world so alien, inviting us to explore the resilience of the human spirit in the face of the unknown. Titan emerges not just as a destination, but as a crucial waypoint in humanity's quest to become a multi-planetary species. Its unique atmospheric and gravitational conditions make it an attractive candidate for future colonization efforts and a strategic outpost for missions venturing into the deeper realms of our solar system. The idea of establishing a long-term human presence on Titan sparks intriguing questions about the psychological and societal adjustments that would be necessary. It's a scenario that calls for deep contemplation as we ponder how humans would adapt mentally and socially to a world so vastly different from Earth. Imagine living on a moon where the days last for about 16 Earth days. The concept of time, so fundamental to our daily lives, would undergo a fundamental shift. How would we structure our routines, work schedules, and social interactions in a place where the sun rises and sets only once every 16 days? The challenges of adapting to this unique temporal landscape would require innovative solutions and a reimagining of our concepts of timekeeping and daily life. Titan, a beacon in the outer solar system, represents a confluence of scientific discovery, technological innovation, and philosophical inquiry. The exploration of this enigmatic moon could redefine our understanding of life, nature, and our place in the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of our technology, imagination, and spirit. As we gaze upon Titan, we see not just a moon of Saturn, but a mirror reflecting our own aspirations, curiosities, and the unyielding quest to understand the universe we inhabit. Titan beckons, inviting us to embark on one of the most ambitious journeys in human history, a journey that could unveil the mysteries of life itself and redefine our role in this universe. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a like if you found this content informative. And remember, you can always leave your comments and suggestions down below. If you want more content like this, or if you have any specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, please let us know. Your input shapes the direction of this channel. Once again, thank you for being a part of our incredible community. You may also want to check our video, "What if we nuke Mars?" to terraform, and "What if the moon's orbit fails?" Thank you for watching.